Should we get to opening some gifts? Could it be 40 pairs of socks? A SKAARHOJ controller, thank you! A PTZ Extreme! What do we have inside of the box? We have, a brochure, Inventing the Future of Live Production Control. Made in Denmark. Beautiful country. Wow. SKAARHOJ, getting started with blue pill inside. We also have a small box. What's in here? Oh, a power supply. Useful, relevant. And finally, the big show. The beautiful, incredible, heavy, feels nice, feels quality. PTZ Extreme. Here, what ports do we have on this device? Well, we have an Ethernet port, of course, naturally. We have a power socket, and we have a USB-A port and a micro USB. Let's follow these easy startup steps. Number 1, connect. Let's see if it's able to be powered via PoE. It is. Wow. What a beautiful boot up sequence. It's so nice. Look at these colors. I'm inspired. Oh, now that the product's on, I see that it has an IP address. Let me go to that IP address, my handy dandy laptop, and I'll write down the number, the reactor, web GUI. All right, next step, I'll add a device. All right, let's do a Canon CRN 300. Beautiful camera. I have a few in my house, hence the Christmas gift of the SKAARHOJ PTZ Extreme. All right, I'll add a device. And then I'll select my configuration. Let's go with generic PTZ control, that seems relevant. And I add my camera, and here we go. I'll select my camera, and I'm using SKAARHOJ products to control other products. That's the whole idea of the thing. All right, I added my camera, and I'm controlling it. And now I have a great, easy life with SKAARHOJ. Merry Christmas, everybody.